How do you use customer interview pyramids? To answer that question, we'll first discuss what it is and why it's important. And hey there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the founders here at Product HQ. And before we begin and jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos on how to build great products. Now, conducting customer interviews is one of the most enlightening parts of any product design process. And it's during this phase that team members and/or interviewees have that quote-unquote light bulb moment about how to solve product issues that customers face. It's even more rewarding when other members of your team, whether it be engineering, marketing, or design, arrive at the same conclusions for themselves. While analytical tools provide product managers with information like, let's say, how many users use a product and how many times they visit a page, customer interviews provide managers with information that helps them to better understand the consumer. And customer interviews are a component of qualitative research. It fills in the gaps left by quantitative data and tells you who your customer really is, what they're thinking, and what their feelings and opinions are about your product. While there are many methods, interviews are a great way to get in-depth feedback. And in some ways, interviews allow businesses to take a proactive approach to problem solving. And this happens because it helps anticipate issues before they arise. A better understanding leads to better design and better products. So what's the next step once the interviews have been completed? Well, ideally, the information gained from those interviews will be turned into tangible action. But to do that, the information provided needs to connect the problem to an idea or opportunity to fix that issue. And this can be done by using the customer interview pyramid, a problem-solving framework designed to help product managers fix issues faced by their customers. At the base of the pyramid, you communicate the observations made during the interview. It is the least complicated part of the pyramid, and it's a job that any team member can do. Because this stage is where the process begins, it is viewed as one of the most important parts of the pyramid. And interviewees must list the points conveyed during the meeting and make the most of this step by creating one-line problem statements. Rather than copy and paste notes taken on your notepad or computer to present to the team, you should consider thinking about the observations and potential patterns. Be sure to differentiate between feature requests and problems. A step above the base of the pyramid is where the team members interpret the problem. And in this stage, the group categorizes problems based on similarity with a statement that encapsulates the overarching issue. And one of the best ways to make use of this information is to ask yourself, what is the user trying to do? And why are they experiencing difficulties? These observations help you to discover what the problem is. And you should include customer recordings, screenshots, and any other material that helps provide context. At the very top of the pyramid, team members begin to connect opportunities, and this is where the team gains the most value. By connecting a problem with opportunities that could solve them, the company is able to create a roadmap as to what the next course of action should be. Take advantage of this step by asking the question, what can I do to solve the problem? It can help to steer you in the right direction. And when creating your interview pyramid write-up, it should take the format of observation, identity, problems, which lead to opportunities. And this outline is helpful in turning issues into action. You can begin to implement the customer interview pyramid framework for your team by creating a space that consolidates all the information in one place. You can also set up a search feature to make it easy to find current and past interviews. And last year is establish a process with your team in which you define the best way to communicate what you've learned from the customer interview. And that's it, everything you need to know about how to use a customer interview pyramid. And thank you for watching the video, and make sure to leave feedback in the comment section below. And if you feel like you have a better understanding of the topic, go ahead and subscribe to our channel where we come out with tons of videos on how to build great products. And I'll see you on some of those videos. Cheers.